Okay. Hey everybody, it's Jamie. Today I'm gonna be unboxing some of these Blokees that I got from Walmart. They were on clearance for $1.25 a piece, and so I thought I'd just pick up the box. Yeah, the reason I got these is because my friend Ethan from Funnelbit Gunplug gave me one of these for Christmas. Shout out to Ethan. And so yeah, and I saw them at Walmart. They were cheap, and so I just decided to get the whole box. Yeah. Thanks, Angelina. Okay, yeah. Okay. So my my girlfriend drove me to that Walmart, and so because she did that to pay her back, she's gonna open up the first one, but she is gonna be off camera. She's gonna be doing it off camera. Okay. Here. So.
Okay, which one do you think is lucky though?
Huh?
Which one?
Well, this one already started opening, so you're just gonna open this one.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah. So.
Oh, they won't see me. I'll do it.
Yeah. Okay. So as you're opening them, though, tell them which one you want.
I want Optimus Prime or Orion Pax, which is the secret, or Swoop the regular.
Would they even be able to
not
hear us
the
because
alternate
it's on the thing?
Yeah, they'll be
They'll be able to hear.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So these are the guys that you can get in this series. There's 10 of them, and then the secret is Orion Pax, and yeah, I think all of these guys are pretty cool except for
Swoop alternate mode.
Except for Swoop alternate mode and Ratchet.
Ratchet is still kind of cool. He looks short. He looks tiny compared to the rest. It'd
Yeah.
be kind of cute.
Yeah, Ratchet's kind of cool, but I don't like the color scheme, and it's not even the actual Ratchet, so I'm not down for that. Okay, it's not going to be the full figure when you open it, by the way.
Oh, you have to build it?
Yeah, it's something that you have to build, so.
I looked, thought it was just like.
Yeah. Okay, so she's opening that one, and.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Okay. Dang, okay, so there's like multiple parts that you have to open in this thing apparently. So it's not just
But
stuff
the
in the
card will
box.
be in there, right? So we can see what it is.
I
Or
think
should I
so.
open it? Should we open the bag and that's how we figure out what it is?
Okay, so this is what comes inside of the box. It's like multiple baggies. Okay, so I'm gonna hand these off to her.
Oh, look at the card.
There's no card. There's no.
Oh, there's no card?
The card's in between. It's not
What
gonna.
did we get?
I think that's just the manual.
Oh,
Okay, yeah.
are you sure?
So yeah, it's the manual. So the first
the
thing.
card's in here.
Yeah,
I feel
the card's
it.
in there. So yeah, this is the manual.
Okay, here, you can open it.
Oh, maybe it's Sunstreaker. Oh, I guess it's Sunstreaker. Is it Sunstreaker? Here, open it up,
Yeah.
open it up, open it up. Oh yeah, it's Sunstreaker. Cool.
Oh, wait, where's the... There should be a card.
Maybe this is the card.
That's a stand. Oh, there's the card.
Sunstreaker. Okay, yeah. So the first one we got was Sunstreaker.
Okay, I'll keep them all in the box, in the bag though.
So I'll build these up for you guys later, but you'll be able to see all of them. But yeah, the
Do a
first
little time lapse.
one we got is Sunstreaker. Okay, I'm gonna do the next one.
I'll
Okay.
just keep them all in the big bag like this. Is that okay?
Yeah.
This is
Okay, so the first one we got. Actually, that's probably better. So then we can just pull. I could just pull out the thing instead of like, you know what I mean? Instead of opening up each baggie, I can just open up the card.
Open up the little
Like,
map.
yeah.
The instructions.
Okay. So long as it's not Swoop or Ratchet, doesn't matter. Ah, God. Okay, this
Okay,
plastic wrap is
hopefully
kind of
it'll be
annoying.
easier for you to open the box than I did.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my God, this is frustrating. Yeah, this box is stupid. Maybe the underside would be easier next time. Okay.
The underside?
Yeah. Okay, so here's the next guy. And it is...
Wait, what are you hoping for? You didn't say what you're hoping for.
Oh, yeah, okay. So the guys that I'm hoping for are Swoop, not the alternate mode, the robot mode of Swoop, and IDW Megatron. But honestly, all of these guys are cool.
Yeah.
I'm not as excited about the secret Orion Pax one. but I mean, it's whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the big reveal. Oh, it's Swoop! Oh,
Yay!
sweet! Okay,
I
cool.
like the wings on them.
There we go. We got Swoop next, so
Yay!
that'll be built
Okay.
up. Okay, do you want to open another one?
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so Angeline's opening up another one. Okay, I'll open up this one as well, so we can go a little bit faster with that. So we're opening them together. It just takes too long.
Yeah, I have nails and this is hard for me.
Yeah, I know. So I guess word to the wise: if you're opening this and you want to preserve the boxes, yeah, don't expect to be able to do that. Okay. Yeah. Also, this video is for my younger brothers. I will not say their names, but you guys know who you are. You have a little.
Okay, I was wondering, there was something that crinkled in my hair earlier and I thought it was
Okay, so. Okay. Yeah,
these boxes like have no
yeah, there's no way to like open it and keep it like preserved. So honestly though, why would you want that? Like these guys don't even have like cool blisters or anything. So it's not like you'd want to keep them. Yeah, super happy we were able to get Swoop. I'm hoping for Optimus Prime and Megatron next. Okay, so I got my next one open.
Okay,
My next one open.
I'm still working on it.
Okay, Angeline's still working on it. Okay, here, just pass me the
card? Okay.
thing. Okay.
Okay. Oh, babes.
Who is it?
It's
Wheeljack!
Yay! That's your
Okay.
favorite.
Yeah, Wheeljack was cool.
Okay, I saw the blue and I got really scared it was Ratchet.
Oh, it's okay. Okay. So far we have Sunstreak, Ratchet, and Swoop. And this next one is...
Wait,
You
this
guys-
one was the one mine, right?
Oh, there we go. It's Dirge. Oh, sick!
Wait, that's this one, right?
Yes,
Okay.
that's this one.
I'll keep the cards with things
Yeah.
so that we know which is what.
Yeah, Dirge is really cool. I think Dirge and Swoop are cool because they're just so big. Like they have the wings and stuff. So yeah, Dirge is really cool. Okay.
I'll keep it.
Okay. Then you get to do another one.
Oh, I can see
Yeah, we'll just do them all together. Here, you can show the camera that one too. Sorry, I don't know if you wanted to.
Which one?
No. Like after you open it,
Oh,
you,
no,
you
no,
can, you
it's
can show them the
okay.
thing.
I just feel like it's weird.
I think my only criticism of this like set here is that there aren't more Decepticons.
Oh.
I think
Because
like
why didn't they include 2 versions of Swoop? Like, why was he so?
yeah, I think I would have rather had
Okay,
like
I'm ready for you to. What's your?
okay here you can just here you can open this one up. Do you want to or do you want to show? Do you want to be the one to show the camera? No, if she doesn't. Okay, this next one is. Let's hope it's Megatron because I already have another Megatron. Okay, it's fucking Ratchet.
Oh, hey,
Ooh.
no doubles.
Sorry.
We're hoping for no
It's okay.
doubles.
It's the evil Autobot version of Ratchet. He's basically a
But how come
Decepticon.
the Ratchet in like the movies is not like this color at
Yeah.
all?
Okay. Here's another guy. Okay, so there's his box. And here we go.
Please,
Here we go.
Megatron!
Here we go. Oh, it's the secret one! No way!
Yeah!
Oh, that's so cool.
Okay,
Wow,
we're still hoping for Megatron.
No way! Oh, dude, this one's pretty sick because he has.
because he has the gun.
His
I like the
guns
gun.
have his guns have a little fire, like
Yeah.
firing effect on them. That's really cool. Okay, bet.
Hey, we got a secret.
Okay, we got the secret. Okay. Do you wanna?
I want to build that one.
Okay,
The secret
Angeline
one.
will be building the secret one. That's
the one I wanted.
That's the one that she really wanted. Still hoping for Megatron.
Yeah, I'm hoping for
Or
Megatron
Kickback.
too.
I just need more Decepticons, honestly.
You really?
Okay, there's the next one. Here. More
Please,
characters.
Megatron, please.
Okay. Megatron or Kickback?
That'd be crazy.
Okay. It's Megatron! Nice. Okay, we got the Autobot Megatron, but we're gonna have him as the Decepticon. So now I have 2 Megatrons. That's pretty sweet. Is this one?
Okay, this one you haven't showed yet.
Okay.
And then you'll open it up.
Okay. This one.
Okay, please, 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 please.
Kick back. Oh, gross! It's the alt swoop.
alternate.
Ew.
I had
Ew.
a feeling.
This is straight. This one's straight mid. Okay.
Wait, at least we haven't gotten any doubles.
Yeah, we haven't gotten any doubles.
And we got a secret.
We haven't gotten any doubles. So
This is
so far we have everyone except Optimus Prime and Kickback.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is probably going to be
Yeah.
Kick.
Most likely Kickback, yeah. So we've actually gotten everyone. Since we got the special, it's unlikely that we'll get Optimus Prime. Yeah. It's Optimus Prime, Kickback, or a double. So yeah, and it's cool because now that we have the special one, like the hidden one, like that's 1 out of every 4 of these boxes. So this is a pretty lucky box.
Oh, the hidden one?
Yeah, the hidden one's 1 out of every 36. So
Yeah.
That means one of these boxes has a double.
No, this one can either be. We'll probably
Okay.
have.
If we were to get a double, Angeline, which one do you think you would want more?
Like a second one of?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Honestly, I have no clue what I would want an extra.
Double. I think if we had a double,
So
I guess I would do another double of Dirge.
okay, I was thinking him,
Yeah, Dirge is cool.
but
Because he's one of those Decepticons, like those Seeker ones, those flying jet ones. There's like those guys. There's so many of them, so it's kind of cool to get.
Please be Optimus.
You want Optimus? I'm still hoping for Kickback,
Really?
honestly. Yeah, because this design of Optimus is not
That cool. He looks really similar to Orion Pax, just a different colorway. So yeah, Kickback.
Yeah,
No,
at least
he
that
really
way-
is the same.
Yeah, they're the same. It's just the
It's
color
just the
variation.
color.
I think if it's Kickback, that's cool. Okay.
Please. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes.
Okay, you guys get to see it first. It's Kickback! Yeah! So we got one of every mold. Sweet. Okay, cool. So, oh, dude! You can also make him an insect. Oh, that's sick.
Oh, so
He
do
has
all of
the
these have
insect
alternate
mode.
forms? How come Swoop
No.
then they had to make 2 different
I think it's just this guy has the alt has the alt mode. So yeah, it looks like Kickback has an alt mode. Yeah. I think he has that kind of thing. Crotch. They got a crotch piece, yeah. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna build these up. You guys are gonna get to see that. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then yeah. We'll give a little review. Okay, so we did the rest of the building off camera, and here they are all lined up. Yeah, there's Ratchet, Kickback, Dirge, Megatron, Orion Pax, Sunstreaker, Swoops, Alt Mode, Wheeljack, and then finally like Swoops Robot Mode. Overall, this was a really fun experience. I think for the price of the initial price of $5 a kit, this is actually they're actually pretty worth it. And yeah, if you can manage to find them at your local Walmart on clearance, like definitely, I think you should pick them up. You guys, if you want to see a review of some of these guys, just let me know. But yeah, I think that's all I gotta say. Thanks for watching. Bye.